First, switch the matrix to the desired output mode. When the matrix switch mode is complete, find the Fun button. The options 1 Cynical and 2 SceneSave are displayed on the small screen. We need to press the number 2 for the second option. Name the current output, Mode 01 numbered scenario. Press OK to save. Let's switch a few more output modes and save them to scene mode. After we've saved all the scenarios, press the Fun key, press the number 1. Select the Cynical option and press OK. Press the number 01 again and press OK to invoke scenario mode 01. Calling other patterns works the same way. Press the Fun key, press the number 1. Select the Cynical option and press OK. Press the number 02 and press OK to invoke scenario mode 02. This is the matrix scenario. Pattern save and call method. Thanks for watching. Bye.